Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the easiest way to download Instagram stories directly to your phone's gallery. Trust me, it's super simple and will save you a lot of time, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Then go to your profile and launch the story you want to save by tapping on it. Within that story, make sure to copy the link of that story. Now, here's the cool part. After copying the link of the story you want to download, head up to Google Chrome browser. Go to this particular website. Don't worry, I will pin the link to this website in the video description, so you guys can just check it out there. Now paste the link of the story you want to download in the provided space, then click on download. That's it. The story will be saved directly into your phone gallery. Super easy, right? I hope this tips helps make your Instagram experience even more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.